Hey divas, so in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys this hair. I will be going ahead and styling this hair up for you guys. It was requested to see how to get the body wave pattern back after you wash it, because as you guys know, once you wash your body wave hair, it does go into like a very loose soft wave. You do not get these same type of waves. So if you guys want to know how I achieve that, then definitely keep watching. Okay divas, so jumping right in, today we have a 22-inch body wave closure wig. So it does come with 3 combs in the front and a comb in the back with the adjustable straps, and it does have a 4x4 parting area, which I'm going to show you guys here now. And I did go in and bleach the knots, and I already plucked in everything, so the wig is already prepared. I'm going to be using a hot comb, flat iron, and flexi rods, and a few products which I'm showing here on the screen to achieve this look. So the Beyond the Zone hairspray, some Aussie holding spray, and a wax stick. So I'm just gonna go in and I'm going to flat iron the hair. Then I'm going to put some holding spray, a very generous amount, and then I'm going to wrap the hair around the flexi rod. This is going to help the curl to hold a lot longer. Now, you don't have to put the holding spray if you don't want to. You don't have to put it before. I just like to put it before. You can actually put it after if you want to, but for me, I feel like the waves last longer. Like, the waves last for like 4 days versus them just falling because I didn't add any holding spray. But like I said, it's up to you. This is how they last for me. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and repeat that process until I am all done.
But I found nobody. Call on me, I go give you all of me, baby, make you follow me, I go give you all of me. Moto, Sean say she moving to the baseline.
So now that we're all done with the flexi rods, I'm actually going to let them set overnight. Usually you can let them set for like a couple hours and it'll be good, but I let it set overnight because I have stuff to do. But anyways, now we're just going to go ahead and take them down. And as you guys can see, these curls are so freaking beautiful. Like, look at that beautiful curl that we have, okay? This is going to make for the perfect body wave look. Now I'm going to go in with some BioSilk Light, which I love the regular BioSilk, but I think I love the BioSilk Light more. So I'm just going to go ahead and take some drops of that in my hands, and I'm going to rub them together. And rub them together again, apparently. Okay, we see the hands. Let's put it on the hair. Put the product on the hair. Thank you. So now I'm going to just put the product on the hair. This is going to add luster and moisture to my curls to make them look nice and beautiful and juicy and healthy and wavy and everything they need to give. Given everything they need to give, okay? This is the beautiful body wave pattern. I'm going to add some foundation to this unit, and this is actually a glueless unit, so I won't be showing me applying it. But yeah, that's pretty much it. We are done. That's how you get the body wave look right back. And of course, I'm going to lay down my closure, but this is glueless, so yeah, pretty easy, simple, and we're done. Okay, so now that you guys have seen all the details and the specs on this hair and how I styled it and everything, I did want to let you guys know that this is 22-inch body wave hair. It was sent to me by an Amazon seller. Of course, I will have all the links that you need to know for this hair in the description box below, so be sure to go ahead and check that out. I was requested to see how I style body wave hair to get the body wave pattern back, and this is exactly how, you know, I would do it to get the body wave pattern back. This hair is absolutely beautiful. I definitely feel like she is an Amazon gem because the hair is such high quality and you get it for a really low price. And this 22-inch is really gorgeous. I love the density on it. I believe the density is like 150, but as you guys can see, it looks really full. If I'm incorrect, I will have the direct link in the description box below, but I think this is 150, but it looks really nice, looks pretty full, and this is perfect for summer because I don't feel like, even if it's sitting on my neck, like I'm not gonna get too hot or anything. So it's really nice. I love the fact that I can wear this wig glueless. I did go in and bleach the knots, and I did pluck a little bit because it was a little bit dense, but not a lot, like as you guys can see, but it is like going right into my skin. And like I said, I did not glue this wig, like she just could come up, and I love that because, you know, I don't have to have like products on my face or anything, which I don't really mind, but it's always good if you can have like a glueless wig, because this is definitely something that you can throw on and go, especially if it's styled already. Like, I feel like once I take this wig off and I put it in the packaging and everything, if I just need to run out and do some quick errands, I could just throw her on. But anyways, this wig is really, really nice. The whole purpose of the video was to share with you guys how to get that body wave pattern back. And I hope that you guys did like it. And I hope that you guys found it very easy to follow. I did try to make it as easy as I could. But if you guys did like it and you thought it was helpful, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Be sure to leave me a comment down below. I would love to hear from you. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you like the way this body wave hair looks. And yeah, just comment anything that you would like. You can even comment just an emoji. I would love that. Be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and also hit that notification bell. I do upload quite often, so you definitely do not want to miss any of my videos. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.